3,500 buffet, your dad deserved this. They will have this premium add-on dishes only for this special occasion. And you can even win this gift for your dad. This is at Cocina C Kitchen, Hilton, Manila. This coming June 21. On this day, they make it extra special by serving this rib-eye steak that is cooked to your preferred doneness. We also have this lobster thermidor and this iconic Spanish dish, seafood paella, a coffee and chocolate-themed desserts, and a lot more. And on top of that, we still have our regular favorites. Here at the continental section, we have salads, appetizers like these cheese and cold cuts that you can pair with their unlimited wine. We also have the fresh seafood section, like the shrimps, mussels, and this cuaracha. You can have this cooked dampa style to your liking. We have the Singaporean style for the cuaracha, and it's so good. We also had garlic shrimps and baked mussels. They also have this Japanese section for your sushi and sashimi cravings. We have Filipino section for our comfort food, and for the Western food section, we have pasta and different roasting options. For Indian station, we have kebabs. We also have shrimp curry, butter chicken, and naan bread. And now at the Asian section, we have DIY noodles, assorted dishes, and dim sums. And finally, for desserts, we have fresh fruits, this gorgeous cake, and other confectionery items. So this coming Father's Day, visit Cocina S Kitchen at Hilton, Manila. And maybe you can bring this home to your dad. A griller set complete with frozen meat. So on June 21, treat your dad in style and happy Father's Day!